If you're over 60 and you've noticed that you don't have the same energy you used to, you get tired faster, your hands and feet feel cold, walking upstairs leaves you breathless, or maybe you've noticed changes in circulation, stamina, or even intimacy, then today's video could completely change the way you look at one simple drink. Because scientists and health experts have been talking for years about beet juice and its amazing ability to support healthy blood flow. But here's what many people don't know. There is one simple ingredient that may help your body unlock even more of beet juice's natural benefits. And chances are, you already have it sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me, because near the end, I'll also share the biggest mistake people make when drinking beet juice, a mistake that may prevent them from getting the benefits they're hoping for. As we do that, like the video, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified when we have a new upload on the channel. Let's start. As we grow older, many changes happen inside the body. Blood vessels naturally become less flexible, circulation may slow down, the heart has to work harder, muscles and organs may receive less oxygen, and that's when many people begin noticing things like low energy, poor exercise endurance, cold extremities, brain fog, slower recovery, and sometimes changes in sexual performance. Healthy blood flow matters because blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in the body. No blood flow, no life. That's why more and more people are turning to natural foods that support circulation, and one of the most talked about foods is the humble beetroot. For centuries, beets have been used as food and traditional medicine. Today, modern research continues to explore how compounds found in beets may support cardiovascular health. But there is a catch. Your body must first convert certain compounds in beets into something called nitric oxide. And this is where our secret ingredient enters the picture. Why beet juice is so powerful. Beets are naturally rich in compounds called nitrates. Don't confuse these with harmful preservatives found in processed meats. The nitrates found naturally in vegetables behave very differently. After drinking beet juice, these natural nitrates travel through the body. Friendly bacteria living in your mouth help convert them into nitrates. Then your body transforms those nitrites into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is incredibly important. Think of it as a messenger. It tells blood vessels to relax and widen. When blood vessels widen, blood can move more freely. This supports healthy circulation throughout the body. Better circulation may help support things like healthy blood pressure, exercise performance, muscle endurance, brain function, heart health, and overall vitality. This is why beet juice has become popular among both athletes and older adults. But here's the problem. As we age, our bodies may become less efficient at producing nitric oxide. That's one reason circulation issues become more common later in life. So how can we support this natural process? The secret ingredient, vitamin C-rich lemon juice. The #1 ingredient to add to beet juice is fresh lemon juice. Yes, simple lemon. Why? Because lemons are packed with vitamin C and powerful plant compounds. Vitamin C helps protect nitric oxide from being broken down too quickly in the body. Think of nitric oxide like a delicate message. It doesn't stay around very long. Vitamin C acts almost like a bodyguard, helping preserve that message for longer. This may allow the body to make better use of the nitric oxide produced from beet juice. Fresh lemon juice may also provide additional antioxidant support. Antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, and excess oxidative stress is something that tends to increase as we age. Excess oxidative stress can affect blood vessel health. So by combining beet juice with fresh lemon juice, you're giving your body two powerful plant foods working together. This combination may help support healthy circulation even more effectively than beet juice alone. No wonder many health enthusiasts call lemon the missing ingredient. How to prepare the drink. Making this drink is simple. Take 1 medium fresh beet, wash and peel it if desired, Cut it into chunks, blend or juice it, then add the juice from half to 1 fresh lemon. You may also add a little water if the flavor is too strong. Some people enjoy adding a small piece of ginger for extra flavor. Others add cucumber for freshness. Drink it fresh whenever possible. Freshly prepared juice contains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Remember, more isn't always better. Start slowly, especially if you have never consumed beet juice before. Even half a cup can be a good starting point. Additional benefits of this combination. Many people focus only on circulation, but beet juice and lemon may offer several additional benefits. 1. May support healthy blood pressure. Healthy vessel relaxation supports normal blood pressure levels already within the healthy range. Numerous studies have explored this connection. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is especially important after 60. 2. May support brain health. Your brain depends heavily on blood flow. Good circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to brain tissue. Some research suggests that improved blood flow may support cognitive performance. While beet juice is not a cure for memory problems, supporting circulation is always a smart strategy. 3. May improve exercise endurance. Many athletes drink beet juice before training. Why? Because improved oxygen delivery may help muscles work more efficiently. Even older adults may notice they feel more energetic during walks or daily activities. 4. May support heart health. Healthy blood vessels are essential for heart health. The natural compounds found in beets and lemons may support overall cardiovascular wellness when combined with a healthy lifestyle. 5. May help fight oxidative stress. Both beets and lemons contain antioxidants. These compounds help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells over time. As we age, antioxidant-rich foods become increasingly important. Now here's something most people never hear. The effectiveness of beet juice depends heavily on your mouth bacteria. Yes, your mouth. Remember when we said friendly bacteria help convert nitrates into nitrites? Well, certain habits may interfere with this process. One of the biggest mistakes is using strong antiseptic mouthwash immediately before or after drinking beet juice. These products can reduce the population of beneficial bacteria needed for nitrate conversion. That means your body may produce less nitric oxide. Another mistake? Drinking highly processed bottled beet beverages loaded with added sugars. Fresh is usually best. Whole foods almost always win. And one more important point, consistency matters more than quantity. Drinking a huge glass once a month probably won't do much. Making healthy habits part of your regular routine is where long-term benefits often appear. Why it matters? After 60, maintaining good circulation isn't just about energy, it's about independence. It's about staying active, playing with grandchildren, enjoying hobbies, traveling, walking comfortably, thinking clearly, and continuing to live life on your own terms. Small daily habits add up. No single food is magic, but certain foods can absolutely support your body's natural systems. Beet juice combined with fresh lemon juice is one simple, affordable habit worth considering as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Of course, remember that natural remedies are not substitutes for medical care. If you have kidney disease, low blood pressure, diabetes, or take medications, especially blood pressure medications, talk with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. The truth is, aging does not mean giving up your vitality. Your body is constantly responding to the choices you make every day. And sometimes, the most powerful changes start with something as simple as what you put in your glass each morning. So, would you try beet juice with fresh lemon? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to Green Health and turn on notifications because every week we share simple, science-backed health tips to help you stay strong, energized, and thriving naturally. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.